Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by activating Word's AI features so you can work faster. Sign into Microsoft 365, then open a document and open Editor or Copilot. Once done, grant cloud permissions and enable Cloud Sync so AI can access context from OneDrive. Make sure Auto Save is on. This prevents lost changes while the AI rewrites or drafts. You're ready to see the AI. Type a clear prompt or highlight text and choose Rewrite or Summarize to produce the first draft instantly. Now guide the AI with precise instructions so results match your intent. Tell it the tone, length, target audience, and format, short email, formal report, or bulleted list, and highlight any sentences to preserve. Once it returns content, compare versions and request variations or deeper detail. Ask for a 1-paragraph summary or a 5-bullet list to check focus. Make incremental edits, accept suggestions that fit, and reject or regenerate parts that miss the brief to maintain control over final voice. Finish by validating accuracy and formatting before sharing. Manually proofread facts, dates, and figures because AI can hallucinate, then accept track changes or paste final text into your preferred template. Once satisfied, export to PDF or share a OneDrive link and set editing permissions. If outputs go off track, clear the prompt context, provide a short example of the desired result, and retry. Alternatively, reduce prompt complexity or split the task into smaller steps to recover predictable, reliable outputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.